In this video I will show you how to repair a toy car.
Toy BMW car made of metal, some broken parts inside, and even the doors open. Look at it, doors are opening. Steering wheel inside, everything inside there.
It's a pretty nice looking toy car and it's made of metal and it has moving parts, opening doors. This is a big deal for a toy car. Lots of details and yeah, looks pretty nice, but it has a problem. One of the wheels is broken. You can't see it here, but I will show you.
There's a piece of corn in there.
Piece of corn? What's with a piece of corn? Yeah.
The scale of 142. BMW X6M. It's the X6. That's nice. It's X6M. Size scale 1 to 42. Maisto, whatever that is. Maisto.com. 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 Very nice toy car. It has this.
The BMW X6M is really my dream car. I mean, if I ever will be able to afford a nice car, it will be probably the BMW X5 or 6, something like this. Hopefully soon. I don't know. The car is riding. You see, you put it back and it goes forward, so it's working as it should. The problem is the wheel is coming out easily.
One of the wheels falls off and I will use super glue, just simple super glue, and use this in a well ventilated area. Keep a window open or a door open, or do it outdoor. It will smell really bad for a while and then it's okay. But when it smells, don't keep the window closed. Well ventilated area, super glue gel. It's better than traditional super glue. It sticks better. It sticks the skin very hard, so be careful with that. One of the back is soft, interesting. Front wheels look okay. Only this back wheel, look at it, it's coming off. I tried putting it back, pressing, it won't stay there. It just comes out. The wheel is okay, no cracks. Just needs a bit of super glue on this thing when it goes in to stay there. That's all really. First I will clean it. Might be a crack here, I think, or maybe yeah, it cracked here. The wheel cracked, that's why it came off. And that's why it came out. This hub, wheel hub, got a crack. Just enough to release it from here. I'll get my super glue gel. Oh shit. Oh no. Okay, I got it back. I got the wheel back. Super glue is open. While the super glue is open, make it quick. So don't leave the super glue open too long. It will get dry really fast. It dries really fast. So I squeeze the here until just 1-2 drops come out. 1 drop actually, just enough. Just needs 1 drop. I squeeze. I'll remove it might be a bit dry, this thing. Excess. This part is a bit dry, so I remove it. Wanna use only fresh super glue. Keep it fresh. And 1 drop. Could just squeeze it inside. Clean the super glue. Close the cup. Quickly put the wheel on the hub. I think it needs more. Yeah, it's not enough. It needs more. I should put more. I'll put more. Watch out for super glue. Okay. Yeah, that's what you want to see. You want to see excess coming out when you press it in. Now I have to make sure it's not getting glued on the case itself. Have to keep it moving so it doesn't get glued to the car, otherwise it's ready. It's glued. The wheel is glued now and it's gonna be ready. I will leave it a few hours to make sure it's okay, and don't get any glue, especially super glue. This gel is a bit easier to use, to work with, but if you use the regular super glue it will get on your fingers really fast If you do get super glue on your fingers, use water to wipe it. Okay, super glue is closed. I clean my finger. Make sure the wheel still spins. Okay, done. Let me know in the comment section below what things you repair using super glue and what things you don't want to repair with super glue. There are some things for me, the things that go in water, I avoid super glue at all costs. Keep it like this about 1-2 hours. Once you let it sit for a few hours, you can use it, it's fine, it doesn't smell anymore and it's ready to use. Thanks for watching.